Since you are logged in and you choose to begin your publishing journey, your dashboard will appear. On the top right hand side of the screen, you will see the Submit Article button. When you hit this button, a pop-up screen describing the multiple steps leading to the publishing of the article will appear. Hit the Start New Submission button to proceed. The My Submission Details tab will open. Select the type of journal you wish to publish in. You have two options to choose from: a mega journal or a society journal. At this point, you should be familiar with both types. If not, please go back to our resource center to find out more about each of these types. When you select a society journal, you will see a second box open up. Here, you can choose the journal in which you wish to publish your research. Depending on the journal you choose, the discipline will reveal itself. If you select a mega journal, a second field titled Discipline Type appears. You can choose the type of article you are submitting from a drop-down menu that has three options: multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and not applicable. These three choices refer to the scope of the article as you see it. When you select multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary, you will need to select the primary mega journal in which this article will be published. The discipline field will be auto-populated. You will then be prompted to choose at least one secondary mega journal that best fits your article. At any time, you can save the work you have completed and continue from this point in the future. At this point, you choose to save your work or save and continue.